Hello mga ka-foodie! Welcome to my vlog. Andito na naman ang iyong kusinera. So ngayon ay i-challenge ko ang aking sarili sa pagluluto ng menu na hindi ko alam kung ano ang lulutuin ko kasi hindi ko alam kung ano ang ingredients na meron ako. So initosan ko yung asawa ko sa pagbili ng mga ingredients. So sabi ko sa kanya, bahala ka na kung anong bibilhin mo, at dahil ay challenge ito, so kailangan kung ano yung nabili mo ng mga ingredients ay yun lang yung gagamitin ko sa pagluto. Sabi niya sa akin, huwag mong tingnan. So sabi ko, para na din akong naglalay sa sarili ko kung titingnan ko kasi nga challenge ito, so kailangan hindi ko talaga alam. So sabi ko, lagay mo lang sa ref at ako na ang bahala. Medyo kabado ang naka-velcro. Oh my God. So, titingnan natin isa-isa kung ano ang laman nitong bag na ito. Oh God. Oh. Green onions. Oh my God. Salad. Mga dahon-dahon na pang salad. May mga spinach, lettuce, kung ano-ano. Sweet mini capers. God. Bacon. Potato. Hindi ko ito magagawa ng 35 minutes. Feta cheese. So dapat kung ano ang meron sa ingredients ko ay malalasahan. Avocado. Okay, malambot na. Oh my God. Ang tawag nito? Blueberries. Ano ito? OMG. Anong tawag nito? Beef. Pang steak siya. Oh my goodness. Oh, another patatas. 2 patatas. Masyadong marami ito. Oh my God. Ito lang ang idadagdag ko. Kung ano yung mga nandito sa likuran ko. Mga spices ito. Ito yung spices racks ko. So, yun lang yung idadagdag ko. At saka oil kasi kailangan natin ng oil. 35 minutes. Kakayanin ko ba ito? Holy moly. So, okay. So, habang nablangko ang isip ko. Oh my OMG. So unahin ko yung matagal lulutuin. I think patatas. So iisipin ko na ang ating mga gagawin habang maghuhugas ako ng patatas na ito. Oh shoot. Oh tagal ini. Magpalaban ko ang machine. Bahala ang diha. Matagal ko mag... There you go. There you go. See you. Okay. OMG. Lagyan ko na eh. Oh my God! Nakalimutan natin ang timer! Time out! Hey Alexa, set an alarm for 33 minutes.
33-minute alarm set for 5:26 p.m.
Alexa, volume 8. Tawag nito fries. Salt. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Paprika. Oh. Oil lang tong kinuha ko guys. Mga ka-foodie, oil lang po ito. I got 27 minutes. Oh my God. Binili ni asawa ko. Oh my God. What's this? Strawberry. Ginawa kong sauce. That is already 35 minutes. I'm not done, guys. I'm failed. But keep on watching kung ano ang kalabasan ng niluluto ko. Hey, Alexa, stop. So that is 5:26. The time is 5:26. Titingnan natin kung anong oras matatapos ang lahat-lahat. Alexa, stop. Aking steak ay luto na. Woo! Hot, hot, hot. Woo! Crunchy. Holy! May ginawa akong kakaiba. So yung sauce ko, yung may leftover ako na konti na blueberry. Ginawa ko siya sa, nilagay ko siya sa ano, patatas. Sa fried patatas ko. So yung asawa ko ay parating na siya. Siya yung ano ko, taga-tikim. So I think nalagay ko lahat ng mga ingredients. So cheese natin dito. Finished product, 5:41. Nag-alarm kanina si Alexa ng 5:26. So, failed. Failed ang aking oras. But can you see, guys? Yung timer is filled. 35 minutes is filled. So, magbabase na lang tayo ngayon sa lasa.
There you go.
Ta-da!
Whoa! Is there something inside the steak?
Yeah, what do you think?
Bacon? No?
Rate my
It
presentation.
looks great. I can't wait to try it. How did you do it?
You eat.
That salad's really good.
Okay. The salad is really good.
Mhm.
Can you taste everything in there?
That's really good.
What else did you taste? Can you, like, the all ingredients? You have bacon, avocado, cheese,
Blueberries?
blueberries, green onions,
Greens?
the salad. Yes,
That's really good salad.
really.
It really is.
I'm telling you, we are not married at this moment. We are not married. You need to say the honest comment.
Can I cut your decorations?
Yeah. So what I did, I blend my blueberries, and this is the sauce. I add some olive oil and peppers, a little bit of salt, a little bit of chili flakes.
You've got bacon, and what else in with the steak?
I fry a little bit the bacon, like toast a little bit the bacon, and then I drop the onion, the legs of the onion, toast it a little bit, and then I put in between. I cut it into like a butterfly, the beef, and then I put them in between, and then I put my
And you don't look up any of
marinated.
this stuff. You just do it all off the top of your head.
No, I was, what is this? My mind is black. Like, where is this going on? Where is the place of this stuff going on? Because my mind is thinking also, what should I do with my marination?
It's really all of it is delicious.
How about the potatoes?
Delicious.
So the potatoes, I chop with my blender
Uh-huh.
because I said, okay, I don't have time for this. I chop with the blender. I put all my spices, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of salt, parsley, a little bit of chili flakes, and then toast it in an olive oil, put in the air fry, and then after it, there's a little bit sauce from my what is it? Blueberries from the leftover of my sauce over here. I drop it in the pan. I drop it where I cook my the beef. Not exactly here, but I put it over here. So I put it over here to make it thick, and then I drop my potato.
It's good. I'm not a chef, and I'm not an artist. But this is really good food, I can tell you that. If I was going to change anything, the only thing I would change was your decoration.
It's
So.
so. Okay.
But the flavors are delicious. What did you put on the potatoes?
Potatoes. The
For spices?
what is this? Onion powder, garlic powder, chili flakes, parsley, paprika, oil,
Salt.
a little bit of salt, and then I toast it into my leftover blueberry sauce.
It's really good. It's a little bit strong on something. Did you try some? I don't know if it's the salt.
And then
I don't think it's the salt. I don't think it's the salt though. It might be one of the powders.
I sprinkle cheese on top.
Really good. But if you have a little bit, it starts to feel a little bit strong. Maybe one of the powders.
Probably the paprika, because the
No,
paprika.
not paprika. It's either the garlic powder or the onion powder.
Probably
think.
because I just chuck everything.
This is really good stuff, Goops.
I didn't think about that it is going to be like that.
Wow.
That the sauce of the blueberries is good for salad and good for the thing. So the beef is okay?
Very okay.
Very okay.
I would order that at a restaurant.
Okay, I'm not so much on beef, guys, but this time. Yeah, you're not married at this time. He's telling the truth. More left over here that I did not roast with the sauce from the cranberry. Blueberries.
That's really good.
So, what is your rate? 1 out of 10.
Salad.
Mm-hmm.
That's a solid 9 out of 10 for sure on the salad. I don't know if it can be improved. That's a really good salad. I'll even go 9.5 on the salad. Steak. Maybe it's because haven't had steak so long. That's at least a 9.5 on the steak too. Fries. I would probably go a 7.5 or an 8 on the fries. Just because that's strong. It's either, I think, a little much garlic powder or onion powder,
Probably,
maybe.
yeah.
Perhaps the salt, but I think it's the garlic powder or the onion powder. Might be a little strong on there. And if it weren't for that, that would be close to a 10 as well, for sure. I would order all of this at a restaurant. I would. If I had been to that restaurant before and I'd had it and I knew what it tastes like, I would reorder it.
Absolutely, he likes it.
Mm-hmm.